Welcome, let's waste no time and get started. I have a few samurai figures and I'm making a diorama with them. But I need something else. Oh yes, a cherry blossom tree. For the base I will cut a piece of styrodur and cover it with earth texture. This part will be stone. And the tree will go here. This is a trunk, slightly sharpened for later importance. I use a dried root for this and cut it to size. For cherry tree, I paint the root in dark colors. And for the fine branches, I use sea moss. I apply these flakes to the branches with hairspray. And I need about this much. Now I glue the twigs to the trunk. I try to make it look as natural as possible. I paint the blaze for the rock gray. Now grass it as you like it best. And vacuum the remains. I sprinkle fine grass on the rock. It's important for later. Now I paint the figures. Yes, looks great. Now we have the figures, tree and the base. Then we put it together. I have treated this area with a dark wash so that it looks dirty and a bit damp. I glued a few small twigs to it as roots. And where it's damp, moss grows, so I sprinkle some of these flakes on top. The fact that a few flowers have fallen off is great. It would be the same in nature. So that I can place the figures better, I added a piece of wire to their feet. Paint the sides black and it looks quite okay. I moved the figures again. I like it better this way. Thanks for watching. If you like what you saw, please leave me a like or subscribe. Think and be creative. Your Jens Steen. Bye.